is your Abhilash back. Today I am back with an unboxing of riding gloves for my bike for gunmetal grey 2019 model, which is an ABS one. So I didn't have a proper riding gloves. I bought a pro biker, but I was not completely satisfied. One of my friends suggested me for Scoyco gloves, wherein I found this MC09, which was good. The look, and when I saw it on the website, it was quite good. So I thought to go for this, and this was one of the basic one. Like I just wanted for a city ride because I'm gonna buy a good one for my long ride. But for city ride, I just wanted this. So I bought this today. I've got it delivered, and I'm gonna make the unboxing of this. Before that, I'm gonna tell you the model once again. It's Scoyco MC09 Riding Gloves. It's a half riding gloves. And before starting the unboxing, I really like to thank you everyone, because you guys have helped me in reaching 37,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. I need your continuous support for my next videos on my new channel, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. This video will be uploaded in both the channels, and I need your support, guys, to support me. And if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. So I'm not gonna make you feel bored. Let me start the unboxing. So I've already opened the seal because I just wanted to see whether the gloves is correct or not. I don't want to get embarrassed in front of you guys, in front of my camera. So that's why I've just opened it, and I've got this for a good discounted price, which is 726 rupees. So actual MRP is of 900, and I bought it for medium size. So this is the actual MRP. Hope you can see it. 999, which is 1000 rupees. So let me keep this apart. And this is the package. Scoyco gloves. It's original one, which is marketed by AD Enterprises. This is made in China. You can see the details. So it's an original Scoyco. You can see the hologram, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So it's an original Scoyco gloves which I've bought, because I do see a lot of duplicates in the market, and there's nothing else. Let me just keep this apart. And yes, so these are the Scoyco gloves. It's a very good gloves because I tried it when I opened it, and it's very comfortable. Paying 500 or 400 rupees for like pro biker or a pro rider, whatever, like wherein I paid 725, it is best. So the quality and everything is really good. You feel different when you wear this, guys. So we wear this. See, the finish, it's perfect. It's not loose. When I bought the pro biker one, when I was riding, I felt it slippy, but this is not slippy. It's perfect. Here it's a leather finish at the palm, and here's the knuckle guard, and here are few guards. And this material is stretchable, and it's like a stretchable material, so which is really good. You can see the branding over here. So I really liked it. Okay, we wear the both, so you can see it's original Scoyco. It's not a local one. I bought this in Flipkart. I'm gonna put the link below so you can buy. So when I'm using this, I don't feel difficult to wear the gloves, because the other gloves, it really feels difficult to wear the gloves also. So you can see this is really good, the feel and everything, and like this. I can't use the touchscreen, but still, I mean the fingerprints, but still I can use the mobile screen. I have to press a little hard. I'm gonna show you. So there is nothing. This didn't say that it will work with mobile, but still it's working. So this is more than enough to receive. You have to use this material, the leather material. So you just saw, I just unlocked it. I will go to call, and even I can dial the numbers also. So it's a good one, guys. So wherein I felt like I didn't know that I can use my mobile also, but you have to put some effort when you have to press it, and you have to use this like tips, the leather tips, so you can use it. So it's a very good choice for me. I'm really satisfied with this choice which I have made. Hope you guys can also buy this. I'm definitely gonna review this after usage, like maybe after 2 months or 3 months. I'm gonna share the review. And this is a very old model, but still it's really good, comfortable. I don't feel like I'm wearing it. It's lightweight also. This kind of gloves, I'm really like thankful to Rahul, who suggested me to buy this. So that's all, guys. This is just an unboxing and the review video of this. You can easily go ahead and buy this. Look for a better deal, and because we all stay in a budget life, so we want discounts and deal. You can buy this, so it's really good. So you can go for this. It's a very good pair. So that's it. And I hope you like this video. If you have any feedback for me, you can just let me know in the comment section, and let me know like if I want to improve my video, like making how to make a video or a background music or an introduction. I'll be very thankful if you can make me one intro video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.